and today we will discuss how to write advantages and disadvantages in IELTS test. Now, in the question, do you agree or to what extent do you agree? State the advantages or the disadvantages. You have to tell the opinion. Okay, what do you think are the advantages? What do you think are the disadvantages? Do you agree or do you disagree? Let's look at a sample question first. The question states, new technologies have changed the way kids spend their free time. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Now the question is clearly asking you, do you think that the advantages are outweighing the disadvantages? Okay? Because it is clearly asking you, give a clear answer. Do you think the demerits are more, the merits are less, or do you think the merits are more, the demerits are less? Don't dilly-dally around, don't try to balance stuff. You have to choose one or the other. So let's look at some of the ways you can. In my opinion, the merits outweigh the demerits and shall be discussed in detail. Before this, you have to write your general statement, you have to paraphrase the question, and then state your opinion. This is your opinion. Secondly, you can say, according to me, the benefits supersede, meaning they are bigger, supersede the drawbacks and shall be discussed further. Okay, this is another way. The third way is, I believe that the pros offset the cons and shall be explained with examples. Offset means they are negating them. Basically, negating means they are more, pros are more, and cons are less. There are cons. Nowhere it is written that there are no cons, there are no demerits. Okay? Please do not write that there are no disadvantages. Because if you do that, then you are basically undermining the question itself. And you will not be able to complete the band descriptor. You will not get good marks. Just do not write the fact that, oh, there are no disadvantages. Okay? So, again, as I have told before this, you have to write your general statement, paraphrase the question, and then write your opinion. So, the fourth way is, I perceive that while there are few drawbacks, the benefits clearly hold an upper hand. Upper hand means they are stronger. Okay. Fifth, in my opinion, the pros have a strong edge over the cons. Strong edge again means that it holds the upper hand, is stronger. And the last one is, in my view, the merits clearly prevail over the demerits. This is the last one. Now, if you think that the demerits hold a stronger hand, then you should write, I perceive that while there are few advantages, the drawbacks clearly hold an upper hand. Here again, if you think that the demerits are more, you can say, in my opinion, the cons have a stronger edge over the pros. And lastly, you can say, in my view, the demerits clearly prevail over the merits. So this is how you swing about. So these are some of the ways whereby you can write how advantages overpower disadvantages and vice versa. So thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button